So hello there, in today's video I'm going to talk about the fact that the Man United's race to get the player Erling Haaland onto this team. So as of we know that Manchester United have been trying really hard to get Erling Haaland into that team. They're trying quite hard, and Ralf Rangnick was one of the direct mentors of Erling Haaland in his old days. So this video talks about the fact of that Jesse Lingard will be leaving Manchester United, while the board is going to give more emphasis on the issue of getting Erling Haaland. So Manchester United, for those who are new, let me give you a short background. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer left the Manchester United after undergoing some very bad defeat against Watford, Liverpool, Man City, Everton, these kind of teams. And after that, it was Mr. Ralf Rangnick who got a hold of the United team as the interim manager, and he is going to make some big changes for the upcoming summer transfer today. So Manchester United interim boss Ralf Rangnick is set to have a 100 million transfer war chest at his disposal in the January window, with the squad in need of recruits to aid a top 4 push. Ralf Rangnick's reign as Manchester United manager is now 2 games in, with the German having taken the opportunity to take a look at the players on the fringe of the squad against young boys. Rangnick is thought to have a 100 million transfer war chest at his disposal in the January window, with the United boss set to boost his squad as they bid for the top 4 place begins. December will be a chance for the Red Devils manager to weigh up the areas of the squad that are most in need of recruits. But Rangnick will also have to deal with a number of expiring contracts with players such as Paul Pogba, Jesse Lingard, and be able to sign pre-contract agreements with the foreign clubs from the new year. So what do you think about this? Jesse Lingard has been urged to join Newcastle when his contract at United comes to an end next summer. Lingard may well be given a chance to impress by Rangnick, but having seen his game time still be limited despite a successful spell at West Ham last season, now could be one of the best times that Lingard can do to basically move to Newcastle, and this would be a very good move for Jesse Lingard. Lingard would score goals. It's what Newcastle need. Lee told Coffee Friend, when asked who Newcastle should be looking to sign. West Ham are probably desperate to get him back, but it's unfortunate that West Ham cannot actually afford that payment. I mean, they can't afford the wages of Lingard. So if they can't afford his wages, then they can't get him as well. He gets around the pitch and he'll get on the end of things and score goals. We don't want players coming to Newcastle just for the money, but players who want to play for this club and play for these fans. If we get those type of players, we'll absolutely be okay. So this is one of the news of Jesse Lingard. And another fact which deals with the issue which is that Jesse Lingard was often wanted by a lot of teams, a lot of mid-range teams. They want him because he's a good striker. But Manchester United are currently having their eyes set for Erling Haaland. Erling Haaland is said to be one of the hottest properties in the market right now in both the January and the summer transfer window. United are thought to be one of the clubs interested to move for Haaland, and because of I think this move was made purely because the board wanted to bring in Haaland, because Ralf Rangnick was the direct mentor of Erling Haaland. He was the guy who mentored him, trained him, and clearly brought him to Dortmund. Haaland is understood to have a release clause in his contract that will activate next summer. And though the Dortmund CEO, will try their best to keep him, but it's very unlikely, because there's going to be a feeding frenzy, and most probably his price will be 68 million or 70 million, which is very quite less compared to what he's gonna bring. We are not in control alone, Dortmund Champions League hammering of Besiktas. We are a bit dependent on the signals coming from him and his agent. There is no pressure to negotiate that we now have to extend the contract. Will he trigger the clause or will he not? It's absolutely up to Erling Haaland what he does. So basically, so that's one of the current recent transfer news right now. So with Erling Haaland, what I would like to think is that Manchester United are gonna make a move for Erling Haaland, but how much of it is justified? Currently, we are actually packed with attack, and getting another attacker, I think we should get another midfielder right now. And because all the big clubs are going to move in for Haaland, and with clubs like Barcelona, clubs like Chelsea, Man City, and Real Madrid, they all want him. So it will be a very, very, very tough competition for Man United to basically be able to keep up with them. It will be very, very tough. But before that, Man United, they need to get rid of players who basically who are basically just a backlog on the team. And as we know, Ralf Rangnick, even though he has laughed, but there's a rumor that it's been reported that the new interim boss has a clause in his contract that means he will earn an extra 10 or 11 million in the windfall if the Red Devils manage to secure the Borussia Dortmund striker. So if he is able to bring in Erling Haaland, he will earn 10 million more. 10 million is not, it's a very small amount. United have been widely linked with the Norwegian, who will be a man in demand because he has a $63 million transfer clause right now. So when that transfer clause is going to release, there's going to be a feeding frenzy of clubs wanting to take him, because Erling Haaland for 63 million, it's a done deal. Man City, Real Madrid, and every other other clubs, Bayern Munich, they're all going to just they're going to jump for it. And another fact of the issue is that he plans to remove players who are currently senile, sitting right now, and I'll make a full video on that very soon. There are most probably 3 or 4 players Ralf Rangnick plans to move, and he has said again. So the Erling Haaland update is this: Ralf Rangnick wants Jesse Lingard, the Man United board wants Jesse Lingard to join Newcastle or whichever club he pleases. They're trying to clear out the backlog players so that they can move in and talk about Erling Haaland transfers. Man United are very serious about bringing Erling Haaland, and this is one of the recent news related to his transfer. I'll be bringing in more news. Until then, take care.